Okay, so this video here is going to show you how to operate these mini blinds properly. This mini blind is in the open position, fully down. To get it back up, you slide this down, slow and easy, being careful not to slam it too hard, because it does come to a stop at the bottom, and if you're too rough with it, it will knock that stop out, and your magnets will become disengaged. If that happens, then you basically have to put this back in the track, put your stop back in, and move this portion real slowly till you feel the magnets grab again. So it's just simply up and down, like so. And when the blind is fully up like this, you should never try to tip your louvers, because that can mess stuff up in there. So you want to have it fully open, down to the bottom. Then you can angle your blinds to close it off, whichever way you want, like so. You want to have it back into this position, so they're that way before you close it back up. That's the operation of the mini blind.